I think no one is watching this video because this exercise is so easy. So very easy. But just in case, what you have to understand is too beautiful, too good is an exaggeration. It's never good. If I say your girlfriend is too beautiful, it's not a compliment. It's strange. She's beautiful, exaggeratedly beautiful. It's too much. It's more than normal.
She's
More than you deserve.
She's a doll. What?
More than you deserve.
Normally, it's more than you deserve. Merece. She's too beautiful. If I say this car is too big, it's not a good sized car. It's bad. It's too big.
It's a truck. Actually.
If I go to your house and I say, wow, this food is too delicious, I'm thinking you bought it at a restaurant or someone else made it, not you.
The other thing is, if you ask me, is this good? And I say, so, that's fine. But don't say, so good. So big. Never. It's wrong. Don't say, so interesting. It's kind of interesting, kind of big, kind of, etc. Those are the most important things. If you use quite good, it's because you like it. For example, if I say this room is quite big.
Sorry.
He's rather sick.
He's rather sick.
So rather and quite, it's like very. But
I think he has tuberculosis.
yes.
Sorry.
I gotta drink some water.
Okay, go ahead. Quite and rather and very, they are the same thing. But if I say quite, it's because it's good. And if I say rather, it's because it's bad. If I say, oh, this room is rather small for our class. So it's it's the coffee. Allergy.
Dying out there.
He has an allergy to handsome men.
Yeah.
So muscular man. Back to focus here. Rather, it's bad. Quite is good. Very is neutral. If I say it's very big, it doesn't mean I like it or I don't like it. It's just very big. Other than that, I think you wouldn't have any problem doing this exercise. Anyway, let's show you what we thought were there is no right and wrong answers here, but our opinion here about the answers. So let's take a look. This classroom is not cold. Well, you can answer very cold in your exercise and it would be correct. But in this case, I have to explain. It says here on the exercise, later explain why. So I have to explain. It's not cold because the air conditioning is not on. It's summer now. We are recording this in January, beginning of January. So it's not cold because it's summer, no air conditioning. So it's not cold.
That's why I'm coughing my pants off. It's very dry.
Yeah.
Very dry.
And I am sweating like a
Pig.
no, like a man, like a man. Come on,
Dinosaur.
Josh. Number 2.
Number 2.
Oops, sorry.
Number 2. My boss is extremely ambitious. Of course, my boss is very.
Number 3.
The person who's teaching me today is very tall. Josh is teaching me today, so he's pretty tall. He's very tall. Yeah, you guys know it. He's like a
Post. Next, Jundiaí has become, I'm sorry, quite a big city. Quite a big city.
Quite a big city. Explain.
Because Jundiaí is not very, but it's kind of big city. It's a okay size city. So quite a.
Okay, sorry. Number 5.
My homework was not difficult, but in the end I understood it.
Why is it not difficult?
Because none of the exercises here are difficult, because we teach them right to you guys, and you learn it. That's why.
Josh will answer exercise 6, and if you have any problem with the answer, you talk to him.
Yeah. Lula was a good president. That's my answer. Number 7. Joshua's classroom is quite beautiful, extremely beautiful now that it is renovated.
You answer extremely. You have to explain.
Okay, extremely because it's renovated. It's spectacular. It's incredible. It's the best.
Hey, the coffee here at Madford, it's kind of good. It's kind of good. Man, sometimes I spit it. Anyway.
I'm a bit tired today. Just because we're recording a lot. Jaido is...
I'm
so...
coughing.
No, I'm just
I'm
joking.
used to it. The next president of Brazil is going to have 2 big problems to figure out. Yes, he's gonna have a lot of mess to fix and a lot of problems to fix.
And
you know
it's
why?
impossible
You
to
know
fix.
why, right?
It's
That's
going to be
it.
impossible to fix next term because...
We have been Lava Jato things and nothing's cleaned yet. Right, anywho's. We're gonna clean it.
Do you guys think anyone is watching this?
Nope. But anywho's, let's have some pizza now.
Take a look. If you are the one watching, this, take a look at the views here.
Yeah.
It's probably one you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.